So hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the story of Musa Kaula, a social media personality whose recent release from prison is sparked by a widespread discussion. Known for his controversial online presence, Kaula's journey from incarceration to legal battles is a tale of defiance, health struggles, and the complexities of the South African justice system. So in January of 2025, Musa Kaula was arrested in Dundee, KwaZulu-Natal after to appear in court for a crimen injuria charge. This arrest marked the beginning of a series of legal challenges that will keep him behind bars for over 3 months. Despite facing charges related to harmful speech, Kaula's legal troubles escalated when he was also implicated in a serious charge for attempted murder. These combined legal issues led to multiple failed bail applications and extended periods of detention. So, during his time in prison, Kaula's health deteriorated significantly. Reports indicated that he appeared frail and unwell during court appearances, raising concerns among his supporters and the public. His legal team and family have expressed worries about the adequacy of medical care provided to him while incarcerated, highlighting the challenges faced by inmates with health conditions. So, the good news is that after spending exactly 110 days in prison, Musa Kaula was released. The news of his release quickly spread across social media, with reaction ranging from support to criticism. Some hailed his release as victory for justice, while others questioned the implications of his return to the public eye, given his history of controversial statements. But guys, don't we allegedly love them all? Like, I miss Musa Kaula. I loved his analysis, very intelligent thought process, humor, funny, comedy at the same time. So I love it for me. His release, I love it for me. Is that good English though? Because we're yet to get scoops, fresh scoops that he's gonna be telling us. I just love his channel, guys, in general. Let me stop going off a tangent. Despite his release, Kaula's legal battles are far from over. He faces multiple charges, including contempt of court, defamation stemming from previous online posts. These ongoing cases suggest that Musa's interactions with the justice system are likely to continue, keeping him in the public spotlight. Musa Kaula's case raises important questions about the balance between freedom of expression and accountability in the digital age. His story reflects broader societal debates about the power of social media influencers and the consequences of online behavior. As South Africa grapples with these issues, Kaula's journey serves as a focal point for discussions on justice, health, and the role of influencers in shaping public discourse. Thank you for watching this in-depth look of Musa Kaula's release from prison and the challenges that lie ahead. If you found this video informative, please like, comment, subscribe for more updates on this developing story. Thank you so much, guys. Until the next one, bye.